please don't forget that our decodable books are available on Amazon. Hi guys, today we will be looking at L blend sl, ag slag, ak slack, am slam, ant slant, ap slap, eight slate, ed sled, eek sleek, eep sleep, eat sleet, eve sleeve, ice slice, ick slick, id slid, I'd slide, ight slight, im slim, I'm slime, ip slip, ipper slipper, it slit, ope slope, ot slot, o slow, ug slug, ush slush, I sly. Thank you very much everyone. I truly hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with reading. You will also find videos to help you with grammar. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!